Got a Cooper hawk looking over her back now. Head turned completely around. Oh yeah. She's concentrating on something over there on the other side. I'm hearing a lot of birds. They've kind of went to cover now since they see this Cooper hawk in the area. They don't want to be part of her lunch. She's keeping a sharp eye out. This is their other favorite tree. There's two dead trees right here by the Boeing Aerospace pond. And she's been hunting this on a regular basis. Peregrine falcon's up on the building, of course, in her regular perch, watching everything that goes on. Peregrine took after a red tail the other day. It was interloping in the area. Got to hear the peregrine cackle and chase her off. She don't care much about the Cooper hawk. Ain't raising any fuss about that. Good looking bird. Nice profile shot there. Good filtered lighting. Oh yeah, concentration. Waiting for one of these birds to make a fatal mistake, and she'll be out here like a shot. They're extremely quick. Short rounded wings and a long tail for maneuvering through the brush and the trees. Like the quarter horse of birds of prey. From a dead stopping out is the fastest birds they got. It's accipiters. That would be the goshawk, the Cooper, and the sharpshin. We have three accipiters. Again, they have the short rounded wings and a long tail and are very quick. And they are bird eaters. That's the main thing they catch is birds. And that's what this one's doing. Sitting here by the Boeing Aerospace pond, waiting for one of these small birds to make a mistake. When they take off, you can't even sit. It is so quick. Oh yeah. Getting under the wing there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a little cleanup here. Getting those feathers in shape, twitting her tail a little bit. Wants to stay in fine shape in case she gets in a good chase here. Kind of bobbed her head there for a second. I do that when they see something. Let's see. Oh yeah. Looking over to the other side here. Oh yeah. There are a few bunnies too along here. I think they're too big for her now. They take them when they're younger. There's a bee buzzing her a little bit. It's because the osprey uses this tree also. It probably smells a little bit like fish. Alrighty then.